The second row seats are provided with a flat floor, and for the third row seats, the sitting height and the headroom have been improved to create a more comfortable and open space. The interior materials are made from sustainable resources, providing a more comfortable and sophisticated mood with various seat patterns. Kia's EV9 uniquely combines the agility of an electric car with the strength of an SUV, while improving space utilization with a robust profile. The front embodies a proud and confident mask with the strong and clear shape of a tiger's nose. The vehicle includes futuristic elements such as the digital pattern lighting of the grille, the small cube projection LED headlamps, and the Star Map LED daytime running lights inspired by constellations. The unique proportions of the sides along with the upright posture of a large SUV provide a sense of splendor. The glossy black digital side mirror, beltline molding, metal paint side garnish, and 21-inch dark-colored wheels exclusive to the GT line create a simple and sophisticated impression. The tail lamps with the Star Map signature lighting in the rear complete the sense of unity with the front. And the wide shoulder line that resembles a boat's tail cabin emphasizes the confident and stable posture. A gunmetal skid plate at the bottom of the bumper, exclusive to the GT line, creates a bold and strong impression. The bridge-type roof rack emphasizes the sense of outdoor life. The interior of the EV9 is designed like an open lounge. The second row seats are provided with a flat floor, and for the third row seats, the sitting height and the headroom have been improved to create a more comfortable and open space. The interior materials are made from sustainable resources, providing a sense of natural serenity. The GT line's modern and comfortable row seats in the EV9, along with the high-glossy cup holder bezel, which upgrades the armrest. C-type USB ports are applied for all seats, so passengers in the second and third row can conveniently charge their electronic devices. The swiveling seat feature of the second row can be used by adjusting the swivel lever at the bottom of the seat, and you can operate this feature with the second row seat's door open. With a 330mm rail, the second row seats can be rotated 180 degrees inward toward the third row and 90 degrees outward towards the side doors, allowing passengers to use the space in various ways. However, for passenger safety, it's recommended that this feature be used when the vehicle is not moving. Lane Following Assist helps you stay in the center of the lane. You can turn the function on or off by briefly pressing the Lane Driving Assist button on the steering wheel. If the vehicle recognizes a lane, it will stay in the center of the lane. If you take your hands off the steering wheel, a warning will sound for your safety. If the driver does not return his or her hands to the steering wheel after the warning, the function will be turned off. Make sure to always hold the steering wheel and keep your eyes forward while driving the vehicle. If the sensor malfunctions or is blocked by foreign substances, 2 can be purchased for vehicles with a Surround View Monitor (SVM), and it is included in the GT line trim as a standard feature. Those who purchased vehicles with digital pattern